There's nothing like being in a field of flowering lavender. Several different species grow in North America and are used in aromatherapy and herbalism. English lavender is one of the most common and easy to grow. As an essential oil, lavender is used to uplift the spirits, ease depression, and calm an overactive nervous system. Applied topically, lavender essential oil can be used to ease first and second degree burns and bug bites. To have lavender last all year in your home, cut a few sprigs, hang upside down, and every time you pass by, the smell of lavender will lift your spirits.